Hello, greetings, and welcome to morning meditation. Let's just take a moment to take in this beautiful nature around me. All the air, water, the earth energy, fire energy from the sun. Let's take it all in as you sit and get comfortable and relax into a comfortable space. And just get comfortable wherever you are. Listening to the sound of the spring. Getting inside of your body, collecting all parts of yourself from dream time. Any parts that may have gotten dispersed, bring them back into your body. Welcome them home. Creating a whole and complete you in this moment. And every moment moving forward. And allow yourself to just be here in the here and now. And take a moment to greet yourself and to check in with you. Hello, me. How are you doing today? How are you? All the past me, from childhood, from birth until now, how are you doing? I'm sorry it's been so long since I've checked in with you. But I'm here now and I want to know everything. I love you so much and I'm so glad to be here. Thank you for being with me here. And you're speaking to your inner child, to all parts of yourself that you've forgotten about. Thank you, thank you, thank you for returning. And I make a vow to you that I will continue to remember to check in with you. I love you so much. Let's just take a moment to breathe in again. Feel the energy of the earth moving up through your core, connecting yourself to the earth, magnetizing yourself down to the earth, feeling her beneath you. No matter where you are, you still connect to earth because you are on her. You are in her magnetic pull. She has so much unconditional love to give. Let's just feel our hearts connecting to her heart, the heart of the earth. Feel the Schumann resonance, which is the frequency of the earth. Even if you can't hear anything, just feel that Schumann resonance around you. That is her soul song. Let's move into our hearts and light our hearts up with love. Unconditional love for ourselves first. I love you, I love you, I love you. Thank you for being here in this now moment. Thank you for always showing up for life, no matter how hard it gets. You are so loved. All is well. And from that heart space, let's move down to our root chakra and light that up with a glowing ball of red and spin it to the right. The energy and strength that the root chakra provides. Feeling that in your body, the groundedness, the strength. And now let's put some heart energy into our sacral chakra. I have balanced desire, sexuality, and self-confidence. Spin that glowing orange chakra to the right. Feel that self-confidence coming online. And let's take some heart energy and put it into our solar plexus and glow that with a glowing ball of yellow and spin it to the right. I can have the power and will to achieve my goals this day and every day moving forward. And I also send that power and will energy to my past. For all the times I've said, I wish I would have started earlier. Let this energy flow into your past so that you can receive it in the now. The gifts of having had that power and will. So that in this now moment you feel whole and complete. Let's take some heart energy and put it into our throat chakra and light it up with a glowing ball of light blue and spin it to the right. I communicate effectively and create from a knowingness unique unto my being. I fill so much heart energy into my speech that I only can speak words of love and integrity and clarity and purity. From this day forward, I vow to only speak words that are for my good and the highest good of all concerned. No more self-blame, self-doubt, accusations, judgment. Let it all go. Let it all dissipate. And light that throat chakra up with integrity and creativity. And now let's take some heart energy and move it up into our third eye. I see and perceive all things clearly. Intuition is my God speaking directly to me. Light that third eye up with some violet and spin it to the right. I see and perceive all things clearly. Intuition is my God speaking directly to me. I see and perceive all things clearly. Intuition is my God speaking directly to me. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Now let's move up to your crown chakra with some heart energy. Put some heart into your crown and see this golden crown sitting upon your head, glowing right from the center of your skull. I know the wisdom and understanding I seek always comes to me upon my request. I know the wisdom and understanding I seek always comes to me upon my request. I know the wisdom and understanding I seek always comes to me upon my request. Now let's just envelop ourselves in this golden light energy. Surround your body with light. And we're going to take a moment to thank all the elements. Starting with the water that we can hear so clearly. Thank you, water, for nourishing us. for being filled with information. Water we can hydrate every cell of our being with. Imagine this water that you hear now entering you and hydrating every cell and mineralizing you and filling you with information from the earth. The thing that makes you sentient. Thank you, thank you, thank you, water. I love you, I love you, I love you. I want you to send that water information and that you're hearing in the background into the water that you're going to drink today, or that you're going to shower in. Fill it with information and with love. Recharge your water, re-energize your water so that when you drink it, it nourishes you and makes you even more whole, even more complete. So very, very hydrated. All your cells are so grateful to you for sending in this love-filled water. Thank you, water. Thank you, water elements. Thank you for the ability to drink you, to swim in you, to bathe in you, and to just look upon you, all your beauty. And next we're going to thank the element of air. The beautiful air that we need to take into our lungs in every moment. Let's take in some air. Thank you, air. Thank you for filling our lungs with the nourishment we need to keep going. Thank you for cooling us on a hot day. Thank you for blowing in rain and snow and all the things we need for our plants to grow. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now let's thank the energy of fire, sun fire. The sun that we need for our existence, for our warmth that warms the planet, that grows the plants, that nourishes every being on the planet with its beautiful rays of love and light. Thank you, thank you, thank you, sunlight. Thank you, element of light, of fire, of warmth. Take in that energy from the sun or from the candle in front of you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And now let's connect in with the earth energy and let's thank her. Thank Mama Gaia. Feel yourself grounded and magnetized to the earth. That yummy Schumann resonance, that frequency that we love so much. Feel the roots of the trees, the mycelium, everything beneath you, all connecting and sharing information. So much more that we can see with our eyes. So much happening beneath us. And the sentience and the knowingness of this planet, of Mama Gaia, how much she loves us unconditionally, living on her surface, enjoying all the parts of her, receiving her love. And let's send her some love back. Unconditional love back to her. Thank you. Thank you for supporting us. Thank you for all of your parts. We love you so much. And now the ether, the spirit that brings you here, the reason you're meditating in this moment, your connection to your higher self or your monad, that part of you that will be with you in every lifetime. Whether you're in a body or not, it's always with you. That's your monad. Your sentient being, your all-knowing being. Thank you, ether. Thank you, all the spirits. Thank you, all the elementals that create the ether. The whispers in the wind. The synchronicities, the magic that happens, the miracles. Thank you, ether. Thank you for our connection to knowing there's more than just this life. There's so much more beyond what we can know. And just trusting that it's all for your good. The universe has your back, and that wellness and feelings of well-being are your birthright. Just receive all that in through the ether. Thank you, Spirit Molecule, for being here, for lighting up our brains, for giving us intelligence. Thank you for this present moment. All you need is in this now moment, so just take that in. There's nothing else you need in this moment. And life is waiting for you to step forward and claim your purpose, claim your joy, claim your connection and your community, claim your energy. So as we finish this meditation, let's imagine ourselves stepping into our day and just claiming everything. Because that's what it's taking, is for us to claim it and to own it. And saying these 3 words: I am here, I am here, I am here. And to end our meditation, we're going to end with 3 oohs. So take a deep breath in. Thank you for being here. Thank you for joining in this group meditation. I hope you have a wonderful week. And I will see you next time.